KENWOOD integrated freezer. Small mark at the top at the front. No other dents or scratches at the front. The right side, perfect. The door seal. The left side is the only area with notable damage. It's got this long dent across there, but it's only shallow, doesn't affect it. And another dent down at the bottom here. So yeah, that's it. Just that damage to the left side. Internally, as you can see, it's all working. Comes with a fixing kit, all still sealed. It's all sealed internally, and the manual and everything else at the bottom.